Black+Decker original angle grinder of 900 watts, 5-inch, 125 mm and 12,000 RPM. Its exact model is BEG220. You can see the specs sticker on it. 900 watts, original Black+Decker. Now we will show you the inside contents. Instruction manual. This is the side handlebar, and this model side handlebar can be fitted on 3 sides: the left side, the right side and the top side. So it has 3 options. This is the machine itself. 900 watts. This is its protection semicircle. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi. Thank you.